Every great success story begins with failure. The truth is, failure isn't the end, it's the foundation. But most people don't realize this. They see failure as a wall, when in reality it's a doorway. Today, we're going to talk about how to rise after failure and why your comeback can be far greater than your setback. Failure feels painful because it challenges your ego, your confidence, and your belief in yourself. But failure is never final, unless you quit. Every successful person you admire, whether it's Michael Jordan, Steve Jobs, or Elon Musk, failed before they ever succeeded. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. Elon Musk's rockets exploded before they finally reached the stars. The difference? They didn't stop. They turned failure into fuel. Every time you fail, the universe gives you feedback. Failure says, "This strategy didn't work." You need to adjust your approach. You are not ready yet, but you're getting closer. Instead of saying, "Why me?" ask, "What can I learn?" Failure is the greatest teacher, if you're willing to listen. Resilience is the ability to get back up after life knocks you down. Think about a boxer. The true champion is not the one who never gets hit, but the one who keeps getting up, round after round, no matter how many times he's knocked down. Resilience is built by repetition. The more times you rise after failure, the stronger you become. Most people believe success is about talent, resources, or luck. The truth? Success is about mindset. When you fail, you have two choices: stay down and let failure define you. Stand up and let failure refine you. The people who win in life always choose the second option. One of the biggest reasons people give up after failure is impatience. They want results now. But success takes time. The tallest trees grow the slowest. The strongest foundations are built brick by brick. Every time you fail and rise again, you're adding another brick to your foundation. Eventually, you build something unshakable. Failure hurts, but pain can be the greatest motivator. Use that frustration, that disappointment, to push harder. Think of pain as fire. It can burn you or it can forge you into steel. The choice is yours. Thomas Edison failed more than 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. When asked about his failures, he said, "I didn't fail. I just found 1,000 ways that didn't work." J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, was rejected by 12 publishers before one finally gave her a chance. Today, she's one of the most successful authors in history. Their message is clear. Failure is not your enemy. Quitting is. So, the next time you fail, don't hide from it. Embrace it. Study it. Rise stronger because of it. Remember, success is not about never falling. It's about always rising. Your failure today can become your greatest story tomorrow, but only if you keep moving forward. Rise after failure. That's how legends are made.